What's up? What is happening? What's popping? What's going on? What's guaning? Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lerny. How you doing? It's another slay day. It's been a while since I did makeup. Okay, so today I'm just bringing you my everyday makeup look, but this time we are going to specify it for hot weather. Okay, I hope that you're able to learn something, because people want to do their makeup on a daily basis, you know, not always the full beat. And so I'm going to show you the products that I'm using, and there's going to be a talk through as well. So I hope you enjoy it and come with me. But before we continue, kindly subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. Okay, let's grow the numbers, let's expand the family. All right, sending love and light your way. Let's go. Guys, how have you been? How are you doing? How are you holding up? It's some type of year, isn't it? But anyway, oh, let me show you before I take out everything. I keep all my everyday products in this Bethlehem bag, and there's still a little space in it, right? So it's actually very spacious, very spacious. This is why I keep every single one of my everyday makeup products. Yeah, I was asking guys, what's up? What's up? What is happening? What's popping? What's going on? What's guaning? Talk to me, baby. Talk to me, boo. Talk to me, boo, 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 boo. Anywho, I'm disturbing with my brushes. I'm sorry. Guys, I know I've been back and forth with my YouTube a lot. See, sometimes it's just a lot. It's just a lot. And having to sit and record, not getting the numbers you want, sometimes it just gets really discouraging. But anyway, we are doing this, right? So for my everyday makeup, I don't have time to start with my brows first and all of that, so I do face first. You people know that face first moves faster. Well, if you don't know, I'm telling you, it moves really fast. Like, it just speeds up your makeup time, or it just cuts it into half, because brows, my god, it takes forever. Sorry. So yeah, there's nothing on my face, actually, nothing at all. So I'm just going to start by using this toner from Loox Organics, and it's really grown on me. I've used it for a couple of weeks now. I love it for toning, for setting the makeup. Listen, it stays, it holds the makeup, it makes your makeup last longer. I've used it on myself, I've tried it on clients. Yo, it is the truth. So that done, I'm going to moisturize my lips. I'm using this, oh sorry, I'm using this Carmex. If you've been watching me for a while, if you've seen my Instagram videos, you know that I don't do without my Carmex. It's so good, so good. Next step is to moisturize. So I use my Asare body butter to moisturize. I'm just going to take this little, okay, this little, I don't know if you can see, but it's just a little bit, and then start to distribute it all over my face. Now if you don't know, I moisturize my whole face, I prime my whole face because I have a normal skin. So now that that's done, I'm going to prime. Okay, I'm trying to make this tutorial an affordable tutorial as well. I mean, because it's for every day. I'm going in with this to prime. This is the Pond's Lasting Oil Control Vanishing Cream for normal to oily skin. So I just dip into that once. Now doing like a full face of not doing a full face, I mean doing an everyday makeup look takes me about 10 to 15 minutes and I'm out the door. But you know, because it's a tutorial and I'm going to be talking, it just may go beyond that. So yeah, not to worry. And also not to worry about the whiteness of this primer. It vanishes. So my face is prepped, primed and ready for foundation. For foundation, I use this So Aesthetics foundation. I'm almost out of it because I've used it so much, so much. Now this is a tad bit too orange for me, but I make it work, you know. I'm just using this 2 pumps, so this is the 3rd pump. When I'm already dressed, I like to pump it onto the brush rather than directly onto my face, because sometimes when I do directly, it pours on my dress and I don't like it. I like my foundations to be darker rather than lighter, because then you're going to go in with concealer, powder, you know, all of that, and by the time you're done, it will just match the rest of your body perfectly. So that's my preference. So yeah, but I really love the So Aesthetics foundation, like the coverage, the wearability, longevity, all of that. It is good. And So Aesthetics is a Ghanaian brand. So this is just my first blend that I do, and then I go in with my beauty blender that I haven't soaked in water, nothing is dry, and then I just do this because I find that when you do it directly, it lifts product. So with this one, you're just basing it with the rest of the product on the foundation brush and then going in with this so that it doesn't lift product. So just going to lightly go over this. And then also remember I said that we are doing it for hot weather. What I found was the heavier you go on your face, the more your makeup runs when the weather is hot, you know, because the lighter you are, the more your face is able to breathe, right? So you don't sweat a lot and all of that. I hope I'm making sense. But if it's very heavy on your face and the weather is very hot, like your pores are not breathing, nothing, like you're oozing sweat, all of that, it runs, like your makeup doesn't last. I hope I'm making sense, but yeah, that's my own little observation. I'm going to go in with my concealer now. I'm using this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. This is in Warm Honey. Like I said, if you can't see it, I'll just leave it all in the description box. So just the regular under your eyes, you're just highlighting, you know, like you would on a regular, right? I mean, like you would if you're not doing a and same as we do for foundation, just to ensure product is not lifted, right? I'm just going to do this, just the side of the beauty blender that I'm going to use to blend. Then I'm going to, we already have the product there. For the one under my eye, I'm going to leave it for a bit. So let's just get to blending this. Now, if you're using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, you have to work quite fast because it's a bit mattifying. So if you don't work fast, you won't like what you get. So once this is blended to your satisfaction, we're going to set. I set using this cone loose powder in deep golden, and this powder, guys, is so smooth. Like I'm almost out. Oopsie. Oh my god, I just poured powder all over. Anyway, let's continue, okay? So yeah, let me just go in again, set my eyes first. I set my eyes first, so, and I'm doing this so that it doesn't crease before I set, because I mean, if it creases, if you set it, you're setting it with the crease and everything. So yeah, just make sure that you properly blend. So now that this is done, I'm just going to go over my under eye again, just to make sure I don't have creases. Then I'm going to set that and push it in. Set and push it in. So using this Abby's Invisible. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's a warm shade. I'm just going to use that with my Berry Dior brush to just warm up the perimeters of my face. Then I'm going to use that same shade. So just lightly contour my nose. Another shade, guys, the powder made a mess of my stuff. This is the same Abby's Invisible powder, but this is in NC3, so that will go right here. And over my lid. It's just going to go everywhere that I highlighted and set with the powder. So now that that's done, I'm going to go in with my all over face shade, which is still the Abby's Invisible powder in NC4. So I'm just going to just put it all over here under my contour, just quickly, and here. And that's it, guys. We're done with the face. Now for my everyday makeup look, I don't do highlights. I keep it matte, just like that. No shimmer, no nothing. So I'm going to set, and then we'll do the eyes, my brows, mascara, everything. Yes, hunty. So whilst I was getting dry, I'm going to go in and draw my brows. Now remember, we're in a hurry. It's no time to waste on brows. So what I do is just comb my brows through like so. And then I go in just the tail ends. Just the tail ends, guys. I make it as pointed as I can. That's it. And I'm done. That's just about all I do. Because who has time to conceal brows every day when we're in a hurry? No, please. And then I go and no, not conceal. I use my mascara, guys. Pardon me, okay. The powder just messed everything up. So I'm just going to use my mascara. Forget the stain, I beg. Remove. I'm just going to line my lips using this City Color lip liner. Just this little. That's it, guys. This is all I do for my everyday makeup look for hot weather. Less product means that the makeup will be able to stay longer, you know, so your face can breathe. You still have, like, you know, the chiseled face is not full beat, but you see the contours, your nose is semi-snatched. You're good to go. You are definitely good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Oh, wait. I forgot my earrings. Monstera earrings! Yes, auntie. These are from Lavish Finds on Instagram. When I saw these earrings, I immediately knew that I wanted them. Immediately knew that I wanted them. Look at that. Ew. It just took the look from everyday to everyday, from everyday to everyday, and I love it. Thanks for watching, guys. Kindly remember to subscribe. Please subscribe, and also like, comment, and share. I hope you found this easy. I hope you're able to recreate it. I hope that this tutorial is able to help you slay your everyday makeup a little more, because that's the whole idea of this video. Thank you, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.